Hello friends, my name is Tanish. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to add, subtract, multiply, divide two numbers in the basic 256. This is the program where we write. This is text output window. So our first statement is CLS. Now second statement is input. Input is used to take input from the user. Write the message in inverted columns. Enter. After comma, write the variable name A. In second statement, write this in this way also. Write the message in the inverted columns. Write the comma. After writing the comma, write the variable name B. In next statement, we have to write third variable name C to add A and B. In next statement, we have to write print used to display the output screen. It is help. Your answer is coming. Write plus C, the third variable, and write the statement and used to end the program, and click on run, otherwise click on F5. My first number is 10, second number is 20, and here is the sum 30. In the same program, you can divide the number by writing the value 10, 5. You can also subtract the two number. You can multiply the two number. Thank you.